Hi, it's Michael Thomas here, and in this video I'm going to take you through installing and using WP Total Audit. So let's go. Now what you want to do first of all is download WP Total Audit from the members area and save a copy in your downloads folder or wherever you normally save things. Once you've done that, what you want to do is log into your WordPress site, then hover over the plugins menu and click on Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin, choose File, select the WP Total Audit file that you downloaded, and click on Install Now. Then just wait a little while for the plugin to install and click on Activate Plugin. Okay. Now that I've installed and activated the plugin, you can see it is saying that it needs a license key. So to enter in the license key, you just click on WP Total Audit in the menu, and then pop in the license key that you've received in your members area. So I'm just going to paste in my demo key here, and then click on Save Changes. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see the license type that you've actually installed. So you can see here I've got the developer edition. And of course we can see the audit results just underneath the license key area. So I'll show you how this works. Now, as you can see, there are ticks, crosses, warnings, and information icons beside the audits. And it depends on what the audit is and what the result of the audit was as to what it's going to show. So if the audit was successful, so in other words, your site is set up correctly for that particular audit, you will get a tick. If there is an error, or not so much an error, but if it fails the audit, so it is set up incorrectly, it will show a cross. If there is sort of a semi-optional audit result or something where it's kind of recommended, but you don't have to use it, you'll see a warning. And if it's something that, there's just an informational message, then you'll see the information icon here. Now, as for, how you actually solve these audit results, this depends on what the audit actually was. So, for example, this first cross that I've got here has a Fix Now button. So this means that it has a one-click fix that WP Total Audit can fix the problem with instantly. So to solve this, I can just click on Fix Now. You can see it's told me that it created an htaccess file in this specific case. And now the page will refresh and we can see that that audit has now been marked as successful. For others, like say this one here about DDoS protection, it's just linking off to a site with some information. This is a warning rather than an error, or a failure rather. So, you can make your own decision as to whether or not you want to pursue that or not. There's some more Fix Nows here, and we'll just scroll down. Some places will link to, some buttons will link to locations within your site. For example, this one saying that WordPress is out of date will link across to the page where I can install the WordPress update that's available. So I can install that right there. And others will link to offsite content showing you how you can solve whatever the problem is. It all depends on what the audit is and what the audit result is. But in general, what you want to look for is buttons to click and then follow the instructions there, or in the case of the one-click fixes, you just need to click on them to solve the problem. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you install, license, and use WP Total Audit. Thanks for watching.